Everybody claims that they know how to use a tape measure. Now any idiot can measure inches, quarter inch, half inch, whatever. I'm going to show you something that most people don't know you can do with the tape measure. Take this tape measure, fold it in half. I'm going to extend it out to 100. With it folded in half, I'm going to be able to tell you how old you were depending on what year you were born. So I was born in 1969. So with that being said, I'm going to scroll down here to 69, and it's going to show that I was 32 years old. Now if I extend this tape measure to 116, that's going to represent the year 2016. And again, if I go down to 69, which is the year I was born, it's showing that I was 47 years old, which is correct. This will work with any age at any time. So let's say in the year 2008, we'll bring the tape measure to 108. You were born in 79. In 79, you were 29. But you didn't know that.